Buzzsprout versus RSS. Which platform is actually better? Let's look at Buzzsprout versus using a basic RSS feed for podcasting. Buzzsprout is a podcast hosting platform that simplifies publishing and promoting your podcast. It offers user-friendly tools for uploading, optimizing, and distributing episodes across multiple platforms like Apple Podcasts and Spotify. It includes analytics and monetization features. Using a simple RSS feed, on the other hand, requires you to manage your podcast hosting and distribution manually. It's more flexible but requires technical knowledge and doesn't provide the built-in analytics and promotion features that platforms like Buzzsprout offer. If you want ease of use, marketing support, and detailed insight, go with Buzzsprout. For more control and flexibility, you might prefer RSS, though it requires more work.